to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I do upload new videos every single week, so stay tuned for that. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a little Sephora haul that I had picked up from the Sephora Spring Sale. I got some really fun goodies in here, so I'm really excited to share this with you today. And as a reminder, if you do want to purchase any of these items, I do have all the links in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out if you wish to purchase. So to start off, I'm gonna just chat about some things that I'm just restocking on. So the first product I'm going to be sharing with you is the Better Than Sex Too Faced Mascara. So I really do love this one. It's been one of my most favorite purchases that I've been just repurchasing over and over for the last few years. It definitely does volumize, lengthens, all that stuff to your eyelashes. So I went ahead and I picked one of those up. Another product that I had just restocked on is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I really do love this one. It truly hydrates and plumps your lips like crazy. I do apply this every morning and night, and I've noticed a huge difference. I've probably restocked on this jar maybe a good 4 times now. So it does last long, but I do like to use a lot. And I just love the pigmentation, like the light pinky color that it does give off. So yeah, I really love this one, really highly recommend. Another product that I had restocked on is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. So I was a big fan of the Brow Wiz. However, I came across this one here, and if you haven't already, check out my most recent YouTube video. It is on my everyday makeup routine, and I do go into depth as to why I choose the Brow Definer as opposed to the Brow Wiz. So the Brow Definer, the difference for this one here is that it does have a triangled end that if you want to fill in your brows, it's technically supposed to fill them in faster and a little bit more defined. So I really do like this one because I truly did notice that my brows do fill in a lot faster than the actual Brow Wiz. But then on the other end, it does have the spoolie, so I really like this combo. It's very compact, and I definitely use it every day. One last product that I had restocked on, and this is probably my most asked question on this product, is the Ilia Mascara. So I am a huge mascara junkie. Like, I will literally collect every single mascara, and I want to try them because I feel like I don't have eyelashes, and if you're looking at my eyelashes right now, yes, I don't have any. So I'm always trying to look for the best of the best mascaras, and I've came across the Ilia one because I just absolutely love their brand. I love their packaging. I love clean beauty. So this one here, it's really interesting because it has kind of like two different bristles to it. So the one side is kind of like a comb, if you can see that, and then the other side is a little bit more bristly, so it really adds some volume. But this is definitely one of my purchases that I absolutely do love, and I highly recommend. Okay, so on the topic with Ilia, I had actually picked up their Clean Line liquid liner, so I'm actually wearing it today, and I really do like it. So it's a little bit more structured than your typical felt tip liquid eyeliner, which I tend to gravitate a little bit more towards because it is a little bit flexible. This tip here is very structured, and it doesn't have much flexibility to it, so it's very structured. So wherever you put the pen, that's where it's gonna go. And I found today when I tried it, it really does get really close to your lash line. So I really like that, and it's black. I wish they did come out with a brown color because I'm starting to get a little bit more into the brown tones, so it's a little bit more natural looking as opposed to a harsh black. Another brand that I have been really loving is Rare Beauty, and I'm absolutely obsessed with their liquid luminizers and also their liquid blushes. So I went ahead and I picked up the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer in Mesmerize, and I just find that this is so beautiful. So I have the one that's kind of looks like white, but I find that looks a little bit too white on the skin. So I wanted to go with this one to see if it would be a little bit more natural, and I love it so much. I always put a little bit of a dab at the back of my hand. Again, watch my video and I'll show you as to how to apply it. I always put just a little dab on here, and I mix it in with the brush, and then I put it where I want to apply it. and it goes on so perfectly. So I really love this one, and I love this shade as well. Another product I wanted to try was the Urban Decay Brow Blade Waterproof Pencil and Ink Stain. So as I just mentioned on the Ilia liquid eyeliner, I wanted to go towards more of the brown tones as opposed to the black liquid liners. So I wanted to pick up this one. I know it says Brow Blade, however, I did get it in color Dark Drapes. So it's technically a dark brown. And I wanted to see, because you're supposed to use this for your eyebrows, but I wanted to see if it would actually work for my liner, and it does. So I tried it yesterday. It's like a felt tip, however, it's very flexible and very bendy. So wherever you want to apply it, like, you gotta be careful because this just goes everywhere. And it's very light, so it's not harsh. It does add a little bit of color. So, I mean, I think this actually would be really cool to actually try on your brows, but I'm going to try it on my liner just to get used to it. But I do like this one here. So it'd be actually interesting to see as to how the pencil works as well. Maybe I could do the pencil and then smudge it out. Yeah, so I wanted to try that. All right, so I tried this today and I am so obsessed. So I had seen a couple YouTubers here try out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in color Espresso as their contour. I have always wanted to try a cream contour just because I've always wanted to know as to what that would look like on me, because I always wanted to know as to how that would look on me, but I was always scared to do it because I didn't know as to how it would blend in, if it would look patchy and all that stuff. So I wanted to pick up a tool, a brush that would go with it. So I picked up the Sephora 78 Pro Brush Contour, and oh my god, like, it blends so seamlessly. So all I do is I pull this up a little bit, and this here, and I just go on top, pick up some product, and I just go as to where I want it, and it blends in perfectly. And honestly, the color is a perfect match too. And it's honestly, it goes on pretty pigmented, but once you blend it out, it's like so perfect, and it lasts all day because I tried it yesterday and it lasted all day and it was hot and sunny out. So very happy with these two products, highly recommend. Going on to the last two products here. So I had actually seen that this was really popular last year. It was the Dior Backstage Lush. So it came out in two colors. So this one here is the pink, and then it also came out like in an orangey color. To be honest, the color looks beautiful. It's like picking up a lot lighter on camera, but the color is absolutely beautiful. However, it is so small. Like I literally looked at my receipt and I was like, did I pick up the mini version, or is this the actual like full-size product? So that's the one thing, like, these are pretty expensive and it doesn't look like you get a lot of product. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this to see what this color looks like on. So I'm gonna probably do another makeup tutorial using all of these new products to show you guys, so stay tuned for that and don't forget to subscribe. And now going for the last one here, I actually splurged a little bit and I wanted to pick this up because I've been eyeing it forever, and it is the Gucci Lip Balm. So first of all, their packaging just looks so cute and I picked up this one here in color No More Orchids. And look how pretty that is. Isn't that just so pretty? So I really wanted to pick this one up, and I haven't tried it on yet because I want to take a product shot on it first before I smudge my lips all over it. So like I said, I'll probably be doing a tutorial on all of these products in the upcoming video. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you got some inspiration as to what you would like to purchase for the Sephora sale. And if you haven't already, use the code OMG Spring, and that gives you 20% off, 15% off, 10% off, whatever level that you are at in your membership with Sephora. I'm a Rouge, so I got 20% off all of these items. Very happy and excited about that. I think I might put through another purchase just because I always wait for, I think it's spring and also like the winter time, winter fall. They always do it twice a year, this sale. So I'm very happy I was able to pick up these products with the 20% off coupon. And again, if you do want to purchase any of these products, I do have all the links in the description box down below. So be sure to check that out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe if you're still watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to be friends on Instagram, please follow me there. I would love to have you guys there as well too. And until next time, bye guys.